Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a very simple and tasty vegetable rice. I'll be using raw soaked rice, fresh grated carrots, spring onions, and a touch of garlic. The recipe is quick and budget friendly meal you can afford back at home, and it's very delicious. Therefore, let's get started and show you the ingredients I gathered. As you can see, here are my ingredients. I have raw soaked rice. I have fresh grated carrots. I have some spring onions and a touch of grated garlic. And I have green leafy spring onions. For you to know what you are going to use these leafy green spring onions for, kindly watch the video until the end. Therefore, let's start the process of cooking. I'll heat the oil in my sufuria. When the oil is hot, I'll add my chopped garlic and spring onions together. Stir it and fry it for about 1 minute until fragrant. I will not let my spring onions and garlic to cook to golden brown because the theme of the today is vegetable rice. If I let my spring onions and garlic to cook to golden brown, therefore we won't have the dish as entitled vegetable rice. Therefore, let's pour our garlic and spring onions. Let's pour it together. I can feel the fragrance, therefore it means I'm going to add the grated carrots and my raw rice together. Grated carrots over here, let's add. Let's mix everything together. As you can see, carrots and onions, the greens are really mixed well. Therefore, let's add our soaked raw rice, together. Let's mix everything together until our rice is coated. Until it's coated, I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes so as the rice can absorb the oil. After it has absorbed the oil, I'm going to add water, a pinch of salt, and cover it for 15 minutes and let it to cook. Kindly watch until the end, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe for more simple budget friendly recipe which me and you can afford back at home. As you can see, our rice is really coated. That means I'm going to add water. Before adding water, let me cover our rice and let it absorb the oil for 5 minutes. From there we will proceed. Therefore, I'm going to cover the sufuria and let my rice cook on a low heat for 5 minutes. The process of covering, the time for covering our rice, it helps us the rice to absorb the oil until it starts to stick a little at the bottom of my sufuria, which it will give our rice a nice color. From there, I'm going to add water, and since I used 2 cups of rice, that means I'm going to add 4 cups of water, because 1 cup of rice goes with 2 cups of water. Let's check out if our rice has started to become sticky. Yeah, has started. Yeah, it is sticky. That means it's ready. I'm going to add water. You can see the color. Our rice is really coated because I left it for 5 minutes to absorb the oil, and it has really absorbed the oil, as you can see. Therefore, let's add our 4 cups of water. I'm going to sprinkle a pinch of salt. After sprinkling a pinch of salt, then I'm gonna stir my rice gently to loosen the rice from the bottom of my sufuria, so that it doesn't burn in the process of cooking. See how the color is pleasing to the eye. Therefore, let me cover my rice and give it 10 to 15 minutes again, and I'm going to let it simmer in a low heat until the rice is fully cooked and the water is absorbed, and as it is cooking, I'll advise you not to open the lid. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook on a low heat. Past 15 minutes. Now our vegetable rice is ready. Let's check it out. Wow, the carrots has given the rice a beautiful color. Now I'm going to sprinkle this green leafy onions for garnishing, and the leafy green onions is going to give our vegetable rice a fresh flavor and a beautiful color. Let's garnish. After garnishing, let me flock my rice so as the entire rice can have green spring onions. And as you can see, the spring leafy green onions has given our vegetable rice an extra color. And look, this is my simple, colorful, delicious vegetable rice. And that is it all. Our vegetable rice with fresh grated carrots. It's simple and tasty and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let me serve and taste it for you guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy and budget friendly recipe. And also comment down below. And thank you for watching. This is my simple vegetable rice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.